souls are fed, our hearts made new. Your presence draws us deeper. No earthly feast can satisfy. No wine nor grain sustain us. Yet in this cup your mercy flows. Your sacred love has claimed us. This is the cup, the bread of life, the gift of our salvation. The Lamb once slain now gives himself a holy consecration. O mystery beyond our sight, O wonder never ending, the King of Kings in simple form, his flesh and blood now sending. So let us kneel and lift our hands, receive with hearts unshaken, for Christ remains our hope, our strength. In love we are awakened. No fear, no storm can break our trust. His word is ever binding. We walk in grace, we rise in light, for Christ is here abiding. O Lord of life, O Prince of peace, we leave your table singing. Your mercy lights our every path. Your joy in us is springing. Now strengthened by your body, Lord, your blood our hearts renewing. We go in faith to serve and love, your kingdom's work pursuing.